Hey guys, as you can see I am back. Been since October I believe, actually. If you also see that Pokey MMO to start playing and this and that we are glitchy. Sneeze out, but then that need glitchy, just very, very laggy. But I will be recording a bit more now that the holidays are done. There's a little bit more free time. But I don't want to just come back and sleep. I didn't actually like doing the videos back in October. There was the Ouija board episode and Resurrection Mary. I like doing those. Not gonna lie. So one of the things I'm gonna be trying to do is want to do more of those types of videos. Is what else? Lily just pretty much came back, but haven't done anything since got back. Let's see. Paranormal videos. I'll be doing more guide videos for Pokemon Go. Move. So there's that. So what that was. Anyways, so I do plan on doing more paranormal videos, Pokemon Go videos. Got some games I want to record for you guys. What else? I don't have a definite schedule. Some of the videos coming up will have other people in them. Been trying to figure that out. So that may or may not work. Not yet. I haven't actually tried it yet. As of this video recording. But there's that. I didn't get a new computer. That's probably why I'm able to record Pokemon remote. But pretty much, I'm gonna be recording a bit more. I don't know about an exact schedule, but if there is, well, yeah. If there is a paranormal topic you want me to discuss, or you got a game or Pokemon Go exclusive question, please let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. But I think that's about it. Yeah, that's gonna be it for now. I may or may not do a complete Pokemon Go walkthrough. I mean, pretty much, it's the same as the games. So, only with certain changes post game. So there's that. Okay, no. Fight it. Clearly has breakfast, but it's enemies. But yeah. That would be it for this video. I will see you guys in, well, whenever I record next, but let's face it, probably won't be anytime soon. I have that habit of doing a video and then dropping off the face of the earth. I'm just gonna draw it and run of it. So I will see you guys next time. Hopefully sooner than usual.